Let's see how to change the orientation of only one page in Microsoft Word. First, we want to open Microsoft Word. Let's say you want to change the orientation of one particular page into landscape. First, let's insert section breaks to separate that part of the document. To insert a section break, go over to the Layout tab and click on Breaks. Click on Next Page. And do the same thing at the end of the page you want to change the orientation of. To change the layout, click on Orientation and click on Landscape. And as you can see, it is now in a different layout than the other pages. And that's how you change the orientation of only one page in Microsoft Word. See you soon!